Hey, little explorers! Get ready for a tasty adventure through the ABCs of fruits and veggies. From the awesome crunch of apples to the zigzag zing of zucchinis, each letter brings a yummy surprise. Join us as we hop, skip, and munch our way through this colorful journey of flavors. Are you excited? Let's dive into the world of tasty letters and discover the deliciousness together. A is for apple. Apples are crisp and sweet fruits that come in various colors like red, green, and yellow. They're perfect for munching on as a snack or making delicious pies and applesauce. Bright red, yellow, or green. It's a tasty scene. B is for banana. Bananas are yellow, peelable fruits that are not only tasty, but also packed with energy. They make a quick and healthy snack and are great in smoothies or sliced on top of cereal. Peel it down, the yellow delight in town. C is for carrot. Orange and crunchy, a rabbit's favorite parrot. Carrots are orange vegetables that are crunchy and full of vitamins. They're not just good for your eyes, they're also great for snacking and can be added to salads or cooked in soups. D is for dragon fruit. Pink and spiky, a tropical fruit so pretty. Dragon fruit is a tropical fruit with bright pink skin and white or red flesh speckled with tiny black seeds. It's not only exotic looking, but also refreshingly sweet, making it a fun and tasty treat. E is for eggplant. Purple and smooth, in recipes it can groove. Eggplants are purple vegetables that have a smooth texture. They can be roasted, grilled, or used in dishes like eggplant parmigiana, adding a delicious depth of flavor. F is for fig. Figs are small, soft fruits with a sweet and chewy texture. They can be eaten fresh or dried and are often enjoyed in desserts, salads, or paired with cheese for a delightful snack. Small and sweet, a treat you can eat. G is for grapes. Green or purple, grapes come in bunches and can be green or purple so supple. They are juicy and sweet, making them a perfect healthy snack or a tasty addition to fruit salads. H is for honeydew. A melon so green, the sweetest ever seen. Honeydew is a melon with a pale green skin and sweet, light green flesh. It's incredibly refreshing and can be enjoyed on its own or added to fruit salads for a burst of flavor. I is for iguana pawpaw. Imagine a magical fruit called the iguana pawpaw. It's like a treasure from the tropics, all scaly on the outside like an iguana, but super sweet and juicy inside. Tasting it is like a yummy mix of mango, banana, and a bit of citrus zing. This fruit is a superhero because it's packed with vitamins and makes you strong. Even though it's a bit hard to find, if you ever get a chance to try the iguana pawpaw, you're in for a tasty adventure. J is for jackfruit. A giant fruit, yellow and sweet, a real taste treat. Jackfruit is a large tropical fruit with a sweet and fruity flavor. It's often used as a meat substitute in vegetarian dishes due to its fibrous texture, making it a versatile and tasty addition to various recipes. K is for kale. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that's dark green and slightly curly, green and leafy in salads so zesty. It's packed with nutrients and can be used in salads, smoothies, or sautéed as a healthy side dish. L is for lychee. Lychee is a small, red, and bumpy fruit with a juicy, translucent interior, red and bumpy, a fruit that's plump and lovely. It has a sweet and floral flavor, making it a delightful addition to fruit salads or enjoyed on its own. M is for mango. Mango is a tropical fruit with a smooth skin and vibrant orange flesh. Orange and juicy, a tropical taste doozy. It's incredibly sweet and can be enjoyed fresh, sliced in salads, or blended into refreshing smoothies. N is for nectarine. Nectarines are smooth-skinned fruits similar to peaches, but without the fuzz. They're juicy and delicious, making them a delightful snack or a tasty addition to desserts. Peachy and smooth, a summery groove. O is for okra. Okra is a green pod-like vegetable with a unique, slightly slimy texture when cooked. It's often used in soups, stews, or fried to add a distinct flavor and texture to dishes. Green and slimy, but in gumbo, it's shiny. P is for pineapple. Pineapple is a tropical fruit with a tough, spiky exterior and sweet, juicy yellow flesh, inside and tough. But inside, it's sweet enough. It's not only delicious on its own, but also adds a refreshing twist to fruit salads and desserts. Q is for quince. Quince is a fragrant fruit with a yellow, dense flesh. It's often used in jams, jellies, or cooked to add a sweet and aromatic flavor to various dishes. A fragrant fruit, yellow and dense, a taste so immense. R is for radish. Radishes are small, red or white vegetables with a crisp texture and a slightly peppery taste. Red and round with a spicy crunch, it's found. They add a crunchy kick to salads and can be enjoyed as a tasty and colorful snack. S is for starfruit. Starfruit, also known as carambola, is a tropical yellow fruit with a star-like shape when sliced. It has a sweet and tangy flavor, making it a visually appealing and tasty addition to fruit salads. T is for tangerine. Tangerines are small, easy-to-peel citrus fruits that are sweet and juicy. They're a convenient and healthy snack, perfect for lunchboxes or enjoyed on the go. Orange and small, a citrus delight for all. U is for ugly fruit. Ugly fruit is a cross between a grapefruit, an orange, and a tangerine. Despite its unusual appearance, it has a sweet and citrusy flavor, making it a unique and tasty addition to fruit salads or eaten on its own. V is for velvet bean. Velvet bean is a legume with a unique appearance, featuring purple and green pods. While not commonly eaten, it's grown for various purposes, including its seeds, which are sometimes used in traditional medicine. A unique legume, purple and green, in tropical scenes. W is for watermelon. Watermelon is a large green-striped melon with sweet, juicy, red or pink flesh. It's a classic summer fruit, perfect for picnics, barbecues, or enjoyed chilled on a hot day. Green and striped, inside it's red and hyped. X is for Camellia. Camellia is an unusual fruit with a tough outer skin and a single large seed inside. This lesser-known fruit varies in color from yellow to reddish-brown and has a tangy taste. While not as common as some fruits, Camellia is appreciated in certain regions for its unique flavor and is sometimes used in jams or sauces. Y is for yellow squash. Yellow squash is a bright yellow vegetable with a mild flavor and tender texture. It can be sautéed, grilled, or added to casseroles for a colorful and nutritious touch. Sunny and smooth, a vegetable groove. Z is for zucchini. Zucchini is a green vegetable with a mild flavor and versatile uses. It can be sliced and grilled, added to pasta dishes, or used in baked goods like zucchini bread for a delicious and healthy twist. The ABCs of fruits and vegetables showcase the diverse and delicious options available to us. From the crisp crunch of apples to the tender texture of zucchini, each letter represents a unique flavor, color, and nutritional profile. Including a variety of fruits and vegetables in our diets not only adds vibrancy to our meals, but also ensures a wide range of essential nutrients for our overall well-being. So, let's celebrate the alphabet of nature's bounty and embrace the healthful goodness that comes with enjoying a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. Yeah, we did it, pals! From A to Z, we've explored the tasty world of fruits and veggies. From apples to zucchinis, each one brought a burst of fun and yum. Remember, eating the rainbow is not just colorful, it's super good for us too. So let's keep munching on these awesome ABC treats and stay happy, healthy, and full of energy. See you on the next delicious adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more educational updates. See you soon!